Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So I believe we will begin with removing the Google account because this operation is a little bit more tricky than adding a new one. So let's start with opening the settings. So we've got our Google account added to the device. We can check it in this Google section. As you can see, here we are logged in, and unfortunately here we are not able to log out. We are not able to remove our Google account here. For some reason, the Google section doesn't give us this opportunity, but no worries. All we have to do is here in the settings, find additional settings. They should be right under this Google section. So let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got the thing called Accounts and Sync. So let's tap on it. Here we've got our Google account. So let's tap, and now we have to tap on More and tap on Remove Account. So finally we found it. Tap on Remove Account again to confirm it by tapping on OK also, and confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, finally we've got our Google account removed. It is not visible right here. We can also check it in this Google section, and as you can see, we are not signed in. So if you wish to add the account, obviously you can do it using the Google account, the Google section, or you can go to additional settings again, tap on Accounts and Sync, and tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password. Let me speed up a little bit and come back to you after entering it. Alright, we've got our password entered, so let's tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.